Well, happy Friday, members. It is Friday afternoon, about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, my time. So I am going to buy 2 shares of all the cover calls on Monday. Every one of them except for FEPI. FEPI, I'm struggling with FEPI and AIPI. Love AIPI. I just feel that they have very similar holdings. So why hold both of them? So I am starting to consider Eggy or Eggs as a FEPI replacement. Uh, don't know if it's going to be just a right out sell FEPI and move right over to Eggs or Eggy or one of them. I don't know which one I'm going to even look at, and I'm waiting for the first distribution before doing anything. Just because it has different holdings. And that's all. It's just because they're different holdings than FEPI. FEPI being that 24% payer, I think I can get that out of Eggy. I think it's Eggy, and get 24% and have a little downside protection. But I am going to wait, and I may just use the FEPI extra distributions, take my 8%, but take the extra distributions and move them over to Eggy. I think that might be the way that I do that in the future. So more to come on that. So again, Monday, the way that the market is moving, I got a feeling if it stays anywhere below 5,900 on Monday, definitely a buy day. I'll just go ahead and say if it's 5,900 or below, I am buying at least 2 shares, and that's just future distributions. Just throw it out. It's future distributions. I'm just going to go ahead and buy it now on the dip, and hopefully that makes sense to you. So Monday, hope everybody's having a good weekend, and I will talk to you again soon.